Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make veg flan using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables, finely chopped. Think carrots, peas, or corn. Also, have 3 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and a 1/4 cup of grated cheese ready. Don't forget your salt, pepper, and any other spices you enjoy to taste. Now, let's get cooking. Start by lightly sautéing your chopped vegetables until they are tender crisp. Once cooked, set them aside to cool completely. In a separate bowl, whisk together your 3 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and your chosen seasonings like salt and pepper. Make sure everything is well combined. Finally, gently fold the cooled vegetables and the 1/4 cup of grated cheese into the egg mixture. It's time to bake our delicious veg flan. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease an 8-inch baking dish to prevent sticking. Carefully pour your vegetable and egg mixture into the prepared dish, spreading it evenly. Bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes, or until the flan is set and golden brown. You'll know it's done when a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. Once your veg flan is out of the oven, let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This helps it set perfectly and makes serving much easier. You can garnish it with some fresh parsley or chives for a lovely presentation and added flavor. It's a fantastic dish for breakfast, brunch, or a light dinner. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to those amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.